Hey everyone, day 11, 2 weeks of techniques. We're getting there. So today I have an 8x16. We're going to do 3 little flip cups. So this will be our flip cup technique. Instead of just doing 1, let's do 3. Okay, I'm going to start with a little bit of Creative Inspirations black in the bottom of my cup. Follow that with the Craft Smart Blue Ice Pearl. Then I'll try the Lucas Indigo. The Deco Art Sterling Silver. This paint I buy in the jar. It has a nice reaction with the black. Deco Art Peacock Pearl. We have not used this color in a while, so I thought we will stick her in here. Artist Loft Iridescent Medium mixed with Grumbacher Prussian Blue. And the Lucas Steel Blue, just for a little contrast of that sterling silver. A little bit of black, and we're ready to flip. I do want to do one tiny swirl. I did not spray those cups first because I forgot. I must be painting with Alan. Okay, we'll move these aside. We have plenty of paint. We have about 6.5 ounces, 7 ounces there, so we have plenty for runoff. Some pretty cells starting. Flip those and might get some skins. Every time I say skins, people will say, what are skins? Skins are pulling paint, dried paint, from your runoff or peeling it off your surface after it dries. And you can make jewelry with it, or you can actually cut it out into shapes and use gel medium and create something on canvas. There's lots of things you can do with skins. Alright, let's get this going here. So right now I'm just trying to marry them. So that Prussian blue did pull a little purple, as well as, I'm sorry, not the Prussian blue, the indigo. And the Peacock Pearl is sitting on top. And the reason it's sitting on top is because I put it next to the Prussian blue. I like that right there. I don't want to move it around too much, but that's your basic flip cups. Of course, I didn't do just 1. I did 3, just to show you how they intermingle. Also, when you're flipping those, you can go into the cup next to it to blend it in so you don't get lines. I don't mind the lines of separation. It kind of breaks up a longer canvas, and that's the reason that I did 3 cups. So that's it for this one. Very simple and easy flip cup. Something for newbies to try. Instead of just doing 1 on a canvas, try doing 3 on a longer canvas. So subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell so you'll get notifications when we upload our next video. Click like and share, leave a comment. Look at those skins. Join us on Facebook at the Barrage Posse. It's a great group of girls and guys, and we all help each other out, bounce ideas off each other. We have a great time in there. Check out my Christina Welch Art page on Facebook as well for all the upcoming things that we have going on. Check out my Etsy shop if you're looking for some of my work and you want to buy a painting. Everything's there. We will be loading jewelry very shortly. I'm going to be photographing that this week. And Redbubble for some prints. Stone Coat Art Code. Code is below. Sorry. $10 off a $95 order. And the link to Mike's channel is also there if you want to watch some great countertops being made. It is amazing to watch them. And also the post office box address is below. We have a lot of people that send us gadgets for Alan to try. I've tried some as well. It's so much fun to pour on something or over something or into something. So we do try, and we're game all the time to try something new. And also the PayPal donation link. We do a sponsor giveaway every quarter. We have great prizes for that. On the last one we did 12 prizes. And the winner does get choice of a painting out of our Etsy shop. And we do jewelry and coasters, all kinds of stuff for prizes. So if you donate to the channel, you're automatically entered to be in that drawing. That's just our way of giving back and saying thanks. All the money used in our donation bucket gets used for paint and canvas and supplies, so we can keep videos coming on a regular basis. And we try very hard to have a video every day. Sometimes we'll skip if it's a Monday or an auction day, but we are pretty consistent with videos. So thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for day 12, and we'll see you there. Bye now.